Subaru folks, everyone who's asked us to make universal muffler content for Subarus. Today's your lucky day. Come with me and check out what we got. We have one of the new body style WRXs here on the lift, and it came to us with a muffler delete. And the owner told us that when he would start the car in the morning, it was so loud, he was getting HOA complaints, and he was having to deal with some issues because the system that he had, which was just a muffler delete, was way too loud. This car is catless, free flow setup. It's got a little itty bitty resonator. Not really doing much, but this is what we did for this customer. We put in our dual universal mufflers, single inlet, dual outlet, the 3-inch configuration with our dual 3-inch outlets and some 3-inch inlet carbon fiber tips, which look spectacular. Here's the thing, let's talk why the universal muffler is so special. Anybody can make a car loud, but it takes the right engineering and the right muffler configurations to make it so it's nice and quiet, but still flows properly and minimizes and reduces, actually in this car pretty much eliminates drone. These cars, these boxer engine cars are actually quite drony. You guys know if you've got a muffler delete or other free flow components, the cars are very drony. But if you want your WRX or an STI, whether it's a blob eye, bug eye, whatever it is, to have the flexibility, the universal mufflers are the only way to go. In this video, we're going to show you all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, we're going to do hard accelerations, we're going to do interior clips, and of course, we're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper as well. At the end of the day, when you're looking to perfect your WRX exhaust or your Subaru exhaust as a whole, you got to make sure you include the universal valve mufflers because there's nothing quite like the perfect flexible experience. Let's get to the sound. right, guys, I wanted to start this part of the video at 45 miles an hour in 6th gear at 1800 RPMs. Listen to how much drone there is. So much bass behind us. And I mean, I personally, I couldn't be in this car, but listen. Gone. All of it's gone. No drone in the cabin. If anybody out there has been able to engineer a free flow Subaru exhaust with no drone, send us a DM, because we know it doesn't exist. All these cars drone. With the universal valve mufflers, there's no drone. Listen. It sounds like it's bone stock in here. You'd never know this WRX is a straight pipe, a full straight through exhaust. And that's how we like to do it. Now if I open it up, all that bass, it all comes back, which is fun. But it's fun for a particular time and place. It's important to remember that, always. Same thing with the mufflers too, it just has a nice sound. Like all the Subaru bassiness, like I wish you guys were in the car with us so you could hear it. All that noise, when you want it, you can turn it off and the car goes back to being like it's literally bone stock, which I absolutely love. All the bass comes back. With the mufflers too, you don't lose any of the enticing, exciting noise when you're on throttle. You only get the benefit of the flexibility. No compromise.